Hi Crafty Friends, I'm Sylvia. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Welcome, and if you're new, welcome. Today we are going to do an unbagging, I guess. Yeah, let's call it an unbagging. This is from a company called DIY Choose. They reached out to me and they asked me if I would check out their products, and I said sure, why not? And to share them with you guys. I basically had to choose 3 paintings, and I did. So I already opened one. Yeah, I got the other 2 over here on the side. So let's see. Let's look at it. This kit and all 3 of them come with a, this is the standard kit. It comes with a pen, a boat or a tray, and some wax. Oh, wait a minute. And these little baggies for the beads if you don't have containers. Okay, so let's move that aside for now. And these are the drills. Okay, and this one is called Pink House. I know it has a little bit of a lot of pink, but I like pink. Okay, so this one is, the item number is 82030. And the size is 30 by 40, which is perfect for the portfolio that I showed you guys. Remember that you could put all your paintings in there that are 30 by 40 or smaller. Okay, so I absolutely love this one, guys. It has these beautiful trees with flowers. It looks like a townhouse. Sort of reminds me of New York. And it's got black shutters, black door, and it's got a beautiful pink truck parked right in front of the house, and of course more flowers, and it looks like there's more colors also on the tires, and it's got 22 colors, and of course these are the symbols that's on the canvas and the color. So you basically, what you do is, here you're going to follow, it has 22 colors, so you'll have 22 containers. And then you label the containers 1 through 22, and whatever is number 1 is going to be the symbol G. So then you look for the symbol G for number 1. All right, so let's see. It's pretty sticky. Let's see. Yep, pretty sticky. All right. And I just loved it. As soon as I saw it, it just reminded me of New York. The townhomes and lots and lots of pink. So yeah, what else can I say? It's like I said, 30 by 40 centimeters. This was, guys, $4.49, which is amazing. It's beautiful. It's very colorful. And I have to say, it has lots of pink if you like pink. Okay, let me bring it up so you can see it. It's very clear. It goes the windows and the door on the first floor, another window, and lots of flowers and a beautiful pink truck. Okay, and these are the colors. Let's see very quickly. We should have 22 colors. I'm not going to take them all out. Okay, but it looks like, of course, we're going to have lots of, let's see, lots of different pinks here. I said I'm not going to take it out, and I do. I'll just put them out here so you can see. Those are pretty oranges, pinks, purples. Just very pretty. It has green for the flowers. It's got black, I guess, for the shutters, gray, purple, and some blues. Okay, and some greens. So it's beautiful. I love this one. I can't wait to start. Okay, and I do like these sides, guys. It's just they're fun. They're fun to do, and of course it doesn't take me forever to do them. Okay, the next one, this one I'm going to actually open. Let's see if I can find where is it? Where is the opening, guys? Oh, here it is. Here they all come in little plastic bags. So let's see this one. And I always roll it like this so we can flatten it a little bit. Remember, it's been traveling. Okay. And let's see. Wow, I don't know if you can see that, but it's supposed to be a tiger. It's called Tiger, and it's surrounded by beautiful flowers. Let's see. Very sticky, very clear. Let's see if you can see that. It's a beautiful tiger, and it's going to look gorgeous. Well, you can't see it from the picture, but anyway, the item number is A5079, and it's also a 30 by 40 centimeter. And this one is also full round drill, and it's $4.49. This one has 23 colors. So it looks like it's going to have lots of orange. Now, keep in mind, none of these have ABs, but that doesn't, stop us, of course. So now we could add some ABs in this. So they all come with the tray with some wax and a pen. And these are the drills. Does it have a number here? 30. Huh, I don't know what that is. Oh, but it has a number here. So if you separate, if you want to, this is what I do. I put all my paintings together, and then I separate the drills. I have like a big box, and I put all my drills in there, and this has the number. So it says A5079. A5079 right there. So that means this goes with this painting. Anyway, very quickly, let's see the colors. It's funny how I can never open these things. Okay, here it is. It looks like they're organized. Let's see, 23. Yeah, they are. I don't want to take them out, guys, because they're organized. But let me see if I can open it this way. You can see it better, the colors. Yeah. So you have lots of peach, orange, reds, brown, white, black, and orange. Lots of orange because of the tiger. And of course, lots of pinks because of the flowers. Okay. This one's going to look gorgeous. I can't wait. All right. And then the last one. I was trying to pick like a little bit of like different. So the tiger for animal, and then this one and the truck, and this one just for fun. This one's, I love all three of them. Okay, here goes the drills. They put the code, which is B4061. That should be on the painting, on the canvas. And of course, like I mentioned before, the boat or the tray, wax, and of course, oh, this one didn't come with baggies, but that's fine because I have so many extra baggies. And the pen. And like I said, if you want to just, and of course the canvas in the back is not very soft. It's not soft, but it's fine. Okay, look at this, guys. Oops, upside down, sorry. Let me just make this, if I peel this, it helps to flatten it. See that? Just peel a little bit of them and then press your hand on it, and it helps to flatten it. I do it on all four corners, and it helps before I put it away. So let's do this corner too. Let me check. Very, very sticky, very, very clear. Okay, that helps. And it's called Fresh Flowers on Bench. And I don't know why it's called a bench, because it's actually a chair, but it's like a bag, and it's got beautiful flowers, and of course it's on a chair, but they call it a bench. So anyway, so it's B4061. It's 30 by 40 centimeters. I don't know if you can see the picture there. A little better, maybe not. And it's got 19 colors. Love the color in the background. It's like like a sage. I love that color. I'm not gonna take these out because you can see it's not too many, which is nice. So it's got like an off-white, white, blue, peach, pink, blues, beige, greens. So that's about it, guys. So I'm very happy with all three paintings. Let me bring the tiger. Wonder if you can see the tiger better than the way I see it, because like you can see the eyes. It's sort of like the tiger is hiding behind the flowers. He's playing hide and go seek. Okay. And this one, pink house, tiger, and fresh flowers on bench. All right, that's it, guys. And have a wonderful rest of the day. Thank you. Bye-bye.